Good morning, everyone. We are continuing here in the words of the Meshiv Nefesh, embarking upon this new chapter, which is called Rak Chazak V'Amatz, which means we are only to be strong, to be inspired, to find words of encouragement, which can elevate a person here in this world. And he brings today from the great Rosh Yeshiva, Reb Avram Pam Zatzal, the following idea. And Rav Pam begins off talking about what it was like for a person in previous generations to get inspired, to be uplifted, to be elevated, to get words of musar, of rebuke, and even criticism that would motivate them and take them to a greater place in their avodas Hashem. And he writes, it's not going to work in our generation. We are a much more fragile generation, and that's okay. We have to acknowledge what we are, just like you wouldn't take a light bulb and put it on the ground and step on it. But you could take a piece of metal and you could put it on the ground and you could step on it. The metal's not going to break. The light bulb is going to break. So too our generation has fragility that the previous generations didn't have inside of them. And if we're going to treat our children and our balabatim, the members of our shuls, and the yeshiva students who hear the drashas from their rebbeim, we're going to treat them the way that they were treated 100 years ago, they're going to crumble and crack and break from being so fragile. And therefore, Rav Pam says, I found another pathway. Matzasi derech acher. I found a different way. Lehisayrus lichuva va'aliyah. To inspire people to come closer to Hashem and to have spiritual elevations. It's something that's much more fitting of them and will bring them to greater levels of success. And this, he writes, you can find in the work of Rabbeinu Yoina, one of the great Rishonim, earlier commentaries, in his sefer called Sharei Avodah, the gates of service of Hashem. And he writes over there in the beginning the following: Ha-Pesach HaRishayin Hu, the first opening, Sheyodo Ha'isha Oived Erech Atzmai, a person has to know his own intrinsic value. V'yakir malosa ilmalas avaisav. He should know his strengths, and he should know the milos. He should know the strengths and the good things of his fathers and forefathers. Ugdulosam v'chashivusam etzel habari yizbarach shemayim. A person should be aware of the greatness and the importance of themselves and their forefathers in the eyes of Hashem. V'yishtadel v'yizchazek atzma b'mayla ahi. And a person should make effort and strengthen themselves in the great abilities that they have. Lihisnaheg ba'tomi, to constantly be working on the positive, working on the things that are good for them, finding the ways that they can be elevating themselves on a constant basis. V'yaseh shelo yevushay avaisav midrachav u'maisav kefi koichav v'asagas yodai. And one thing they should keep in mind is they should not do anything that their forefathers, their father, their Zayda, the great-grandfather, the great-grandmother, going all the way back to Moshe Rabbeinu by Har Sinai, all the way back to Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov. We don't want to do anything that is going to cause a busha, an embarrassment to the people that came before us as a result of our actions. And what's going to be the benefit of a person who thinks like this? When a deep seated desire comes up inside of a person, and he has a desire to do something which he knows is not proper, he knows which is not right, he's embarrassed from himself, and he's embarrassed from the memory of his previous generations of the fathers and the grandfathers and the forefathers. V'yoshiv l'nafshe v'yomer, and he'll say to himself, Adam gadol v'chashuv k'mayni, a great and important person like me, says Rabbeinu Yoina. Look how a person has to talk about themselves. I'm not a nothing. I'm not a lowlife. I'm not hopeless or helpless. Adam gadol v'chashuv k'mayni, a great and important person like me. Hayoim sheyesh bo mailos toivos ramos v'nasais. On a day like today, I have so many lofty levels, so much goodness, such greatness inside of me. V'shani ben gedolim ben malchei koidem, and I myself, with all my own greatness, I am the child of great people, who are the sons of Malchei Kedem, of the noble chain of spiritual giants that existed before me. How could I do such a terrible thing? Remember, the man is on the brink of indulging in a taiva, a desire that is not right and not appropriate, doing some kind of sinful behavior. So he thinks to himself of his inner greatness and where he comes from and the link in the chain of all the spiritual nobility of the previous generations, and he says, how can I do such a thing? I'm going to sin against HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and against my fathers and the forefathers and all of their memories, kol hayomim, all the days of my life. Says Rabbeinu Yoina, if a person will think how great they are, how big they are, how much potential lies inside of their neshamas, we would be embarrassed to hurt ourselves and diminish ourselves. And we have to keep in mind that we are a link in a chain that extends all the way back to Har Sinai, and Har Sinai, the chain goes all the way back to Avraham, Yitzchak, and Yaakov. And if we weaken, we become a weak link in the chain. And as a result of that, we forget our greatness and our loftiness and our abilities. May we be Zeiche im Yetz Hashem, as Rav Pam brings down from Bnei Yoina. This is the avodah of our generation. Our generation, we can't beat ourselves up. We can't give ourselves harsh criticism. We can't give lacing, musar, ethical words that are going to sear into a person's heart. We're too fragile, like the light bulb or like an eggshell. We'll just crumble. But if we recognize how great we are, and we see, as he writes, Adam Gadol v'chashuv k'mayni, a great person as chashuv, as important as I am, that'll keep us on the right path. It'll keep our focus looking forward, and in that way, Be'ez Hashem will continue to elevate, to inspire, to encourage ourselves with great enthusiasm for true avodas Hashem and devekis and closeness to our Father in heaven. Wishing everybody a wonderful day in which we all are zeicha to see the inner greatness that exists. All the best.